Hello children, this video class is an initiative of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group. I am Shavya Vyas and I gladly welcome you to my class. Today we shall be doing only the map work of chapter 2 India. Okay? So in the midterm course you will have two maps. One is map of chapter 2, that is map of physical features of India, and the second map is of chapter 3, you will have the physical map of the northern mountains. Now let us come to the physical features of India. Physical features are the natural landforms found on the earth's surface. So what are these natural landforms? You have the mountains, you have the deserts, you have the plains, you have the plateaus. These are the examples of the natural landforms. And on the basis of its physical features, India can be divided into 5 main regions. First, the northern mountains, that is your Himalayas. Second, the northern plains. Third, the Deccan Plateau. Fourth, the coastal plains and islands. And fifth, the western desert, that is your Great Indian Desert. What you see here is the physical map of India. And what is a physical map? A map showing the kind of land a country has is called a physical map. So basically what does this physical map show? It shows the natural landforms of this area, that is it shows the what are the various landforms? It shows the mountains, the deserts, the plateaus, the plains. So physical map shows the natural landforms. Let me just explain it to you how it is. You see this dark brown in color. So whatever is dark brown in color, it actually represents mountains, and whatever is yellowish in color, it represents deserts or plateaus, and whatever is green in color, it represents plains or grasslands. So physical map of India gives better clarity as to the type of land that particular country has. And let me proceed to your exam portion. This is the most important part of this video. This video shows the map that you will have to be drawing for your exam. Okay? So let's start with your Himalayas. So from where does this Himalayas start? Whatever shaded in blue. You have 3 shaded parts here. One part here. Okay? One second part in Sikkim, and third blue shade in Arunachal Pradesh. So this Himalaya starts from Kashmir and it extends up to Arunachal Pradesh. So you have 3 blue shaded parts here. One here which starts from Kashmir till Nepal. Next is your Sikkim, that is the small part here, and the third is you will have to shade Arunachal Pradesh also in blue color. Then just below the Himalayas you find the northern plains. So northern plains runs exactly parallel to the Himalayas, and it starts from here and extends up to your West Bengal. And you see this dotted line here. This dotted line is actually the Tropic of Cancer. So from the northern plains you will start drawing your Great Indian Desert, and you will come till the dotted line near Gujarat. So this will be your Great Indian Desert. Next you will have to come to your coastal plains. The one that is in the side of Arabian Sea will be your western coastal plains. So you will have to start from this tip. Okay? Start from this point near Gujarat, draw a thin line, very thin line, and you come towards the tip of the southernmost tip of India. So this will be your western coastal plains, and from here you will start the eastern coastal plains. Please note, western coastal plains is narrower and eastern coastal plains is slightly wider than this one. Okay? So where you have the Bay of Bengal, in that side you will actually be drawing the eastern coastal plains. So you start from the southernmost tip, go up and come till your West Bengal. Okay? And just adjacent to your western coastal plains, you have the Deccan Plateau. It is roughly triangular in shape, and you have to note one thing, it should come below the dotted line. So it's something like a samosa, a very irregular samosa, but in geographical terms we can say it is roughly triangular in shape. Okay? And this is your Deccan Plateau. So we covered 5 points here. First is 1, your Himalayas. You have 3 parts here near Kashmir, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Then just below the Himalayas you had the second point, that is northern plains. Then you have the Great Indian Desert. Then you have your western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains, and finally the fifth part, that is the Deccan Plateau. So this part is very important, children, and pay good attention while you draw this map. Okay? Now let me come to the question parts of this chapter. Questions for lived out class. First question, on the basis of its physical features, India can be divided into how many regions? Second question, what do you call a map showing the kind of land a country has? And the third question, what do you call the natural landforms found on the earth's surface? So that's all for this chapter, children. I hope you pay good attention to the map, and we shall discuss this again in the lived out class. Thank you all for attending this video.